Now children, we will start with third example. In triangle ABC, length AC is 7.5 centimeter, major angle ABC is 90 degree and length BC is 5.5 centimeter. Now in this triangle, major angle ABC is 90 degree, that is right angle is formed at the vertex B. Therefore, name of the hypotenuse will be segment AC. So this is the hypotenuse and this is the side forming right angle. Now we will draw the rough diagram. We will take side forming right angle, that is segment BC as the base. So we will give the name BC here as the base. It is of 5.5 centimeter. Right angle is formed at the vertex B. So we will show right angle at vertex B here like this. And join this. This is the vertex A. This is the hypotenuse AC of 7.5 centimeter and vertex B forms the right angle. Now let us start with the exact diagram. Now first you will draw segment BC of length 5.5 centimeter, that is 5 centimeter and 5 millimeter. Now give the name to this segment BC. It is of 5.5 centimeter. So we will write the measure here. Now to draw right angle at vertex B, use the protractor, put the origin on vertex B, put the dot for that and join it using ruler. Give the arrow here vertex B. At vertex B right angle is formed. So we will put the symbol of right angle. Now here we have to give mark of 7.5 degree to get the location of vertex A on this ray. So now on ruler put the needle end on 0 and bring the pencil end on vertex 7.5 here like this. Now we will put it on vertex C. Give the arc here like this. Join this intersecting point with vertex C. You will get the hypotenuse here. Now this is the vertex A. This is the segment of 7.5 centimeter. So we will write its measure here. Now this is a required triangle. So we will write here triangle ABC is the required triangle. Now we will move on to example number 4. In triangle PQR, length PQ is 4.5 centimeter, length PR is 11.7 centimeter and major angle PQR is 90 degree. Here the right angle is formed at the vertex Q. Therefore, name of the hypotenuse is segment PR. So this is the hypotenuse and segment PQ is the segment side forming right angle. Now we will take the side forming right angle, that is segment PQ as the base. Here the right angle is formed at the vertex Q. So if we write the name of the segment as PQ like this, at vertex Q we have to draw right angle. So put the symbol of right angle, join here. This is the vertex R. Here segment PR is the hypotenuse, so its measure is 11.7 centimeter. Now we will first draw segment PQ of 4.5 centimeter. Starting from 0, mark it up to 4.5, that is 4 centimeter and 5 millimeter. Give the name to this segment PQ of 4.5 centimeter. Now we will draw right angle at vertex Q. So put the origin of the protractor on the vertex Q, match the reference line with the segment. Put the dot for 90 degree. Now draw the ray starting from vertex Q. Put the symbol of right angle here. Now we have to draw, we have to mark 11.7 centimeters starting from vertex P on this ray. So take the compass, put the needle end on 0 and adjust 11.7 here like this. So is everyone able to see? 11.7. Now put the needle end on P because we are drawing the hypotenuse and mark 11.7 centimeter on the ray. Using ruler, join these two. Here this is the vertex R, its measure is 11.7 centimeter. So this is a required triangle. So we will write here triangle PQR is the required triangle. Now let us see example number 5. Students should take examples of their own and practice construction of triangles. See children, this is the homework because everyone will take the length of the segments by their own and they will draw their own triangles. Okay. So here we have completed with practice set 5. I expect everyone will complete their copies till here practice set 5. Everyone will do the construction using sharp pointed pencil. Thank you.